Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your phone for Google Drive Sync. Sign into your Google account on the phone before syncing begins. Install Google Drive from the Play Store and update to the latest version. Check storage space and confirm you have at least 15 GB free in your Google account, or buy more if needed. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network for faster transfer and to avoid mobile data charges. Plug the phone into power if you plan a large initial backup or many file transfers. Open the Google Drive app, tap the top left menu, and select Settings to access backup options. Tap Backup and Sync and turn it on to upload photos, videos, and app data automatically. Choose the account you want to use if you have multiple Google accounts on the phone. Set upload size and quality for photos to control storage usage. Optionally toggle Wi-Fi only to avoid mobile data charges during large transfers and pauses during roaming to save costs. To sync specific files or folders, open the Files app or Drive app and navigate to the items you want. Long press a folder or file to select it, then choose Upload or Add to My Drive for consistent syncing. For automatic folder sync, use the Drive folder in Files or a supported third-party app that offers continuous sync. Monitor progress in the Drive app Recent tab and verify files on Drive. Google.com from a computer. If a file fails, check permissions and retry the upload manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.